In this video, we'll be showing you how to get huge, beautiful looking koddu on your buttergourd plant.
We'll be giving you tips for growing healthy vegetable in your kitchen garden.
If you enjoy the types of videos that we make, you should consider subscribing to our YouTube channel. Hello and Assalamu alaikum. If you're new to our channel, I'm Akibullah.
I am Ali Raja. Assalamu alaikum.
This beautiful looking vegetable is known by different names in different parts of the world. Broadly is known as buttergourd. Some call it banglalau or khodu, others call it loki or khalabash. Regardless what name you want to give this vegetable, it's amazing looking and it tastes delicious. It's a very popular vegetable in Southeast Asia and African countries. In the most recent years, it has become a very popular vegetable to grow in the UK.
Let's be honest, we are for what we eat. If you eat healthy, you will look healthy, you will feel healthy, and you will feel strong. Same goes for the plant. Add a lot of nutrient to the soil by adding lots of organic matter, and your plant will love you for it. The plant will look big and healthy. So today I'm going to show you how to add lots of nutrient by adding organic matter to the soil. You can grow bottle gourd in the ground or in a container. If you choose to grow in a container, make sure to choose large containers. The bigger the container is better. If you're growing bottle gourd in the ground, about 6 weeks before planting, add a lot of composted manure into the ground. Things like cow, horse manure. Be generous with the manure. Add plenty to the ground and add 2 handfuls of fish blood and bone and turn the earth around and leave it to rot for 6 weeks. Let the earthworm work on it. And after 6 weeks, you'll have a soil full of nutrient with organic matter in it. And when you plant your plant into the ground, your plant will grow vigorously. The more leaves, more vine, you'll have more energy coming into the plant. After you planted your bottle gourd, every 4 to 5 weeks, loosen your soil around the base of the bottle gourd plant and add about a couple of handfuls of fish blood and bone, about 3 to 4 inches away from the main stem. A couple of handfuls of fish blood and bone around the base, about 4 to 5 inches away from the main stem. Bottle gourd is a high feeder. The bigger the plant, more nutrient it needs to produce flowers and fruits. Bottle gourd would like to spread around, so don't add your plant foot too close to the stem, away from it, and just work it into the ground. After loosening the earth and adding fish blood and bone to the soil, add plenty of farmyard manure around the base of the plant. Be generous with it. Add plenty of Gourd, things like farmyard manure, so that you're mulching the earth around the base of the plant. That will retain moisture and it would allow the earthworm to come up and feed on it. So add plenty of farmyard manure after you have applied the fish blood and bone. If you are planted in a container, again loosen the soil slightly and add about a couple of handfuls of fish blood and bone every 4 weeks, and that will give plenty of nutrient. And then add some composted manure on the top. If you're a smaller plant, only add 1 handful of fish blood and bone every 4 weeks. tall, big plant with plenty of vine and plenty of leaves, add 2 handful of fish blood and bone. Work it in. I have 2 plants in here, so I need extra nutrient, otherwise the plants will be fighting one another for it. Now add composted manure. And that is every 4 weeks. Make sure to water your plant properly after adding fish blood and bone, or any granular fertilizer for that matter. Now, I know many of you don't like using cow dung or horse manure. You could add things like tomato feed, organic tomato feed to your plant. But try to be as much organic as possible. Try to add a lot of, when we're using granular fertilizer into the ground, such as fish blood and bone, you're actually feeding the earth and you're not feeding the plant. So you're not going to be actually, it's not going to be harmful for your plant. But if you use inorganic fertilizer, and if you use it too much, you could kill your plant if you don't actually use it properly.
Now that you know how to get large hodls on your butter gourd plant, it's time to harvest them. Let's do this, guys. I am so excited to harvest this large hodl.
Akib, can you manage these hodls look almost as big as you?
They are.
Huh?
Okay.
So, Akib, I think I would have my left hand around it as if you're hugging it.
Okay.
Yes? So you don't drop. Now cut it on the top of this.
I'm literally so scared.
Can you slide it higher? That's it. So you can. That's it. Can you manage?
Yeah.
Whoa! Wow.
This is such a giant hodl.
Is it heavy?
Yeah, it is heavy.
Yeah. Okay. Should we harvest just one and leave the other one?
Yeah, we could do.
Oh, I think I will harvest the
We'll
both
just
actually.
harvest it, yeah.
All right. So hold on. Let me help you.
Whoa, you need to
give
take
me
this
this.
one. It's pretty heavy. Watch out.
Oh wow!
Such a
Isn't
big
this
hodl.
amazing? This is almost tall as me. All right. Okay. Hold on. Okay, Akib, hold on. Let's see. All right. Can you manage?
Oh, yeah,
All right, good.
I can manage.
Oh wow! Isn't that satisfying?
This is really satisfying. I love growing hodls because of the size of them. I love harvesting them.
All right. Come out slowly, Akib. Can you manage?
Whoa,
Don't sleep.
no. Oh, whoa, it's so heavy.
Doesn't that look beautiful, Akib?
They do.
It was all worth it.
Despite all the ups and downs, the oohs and the ahs with the weather, we're having good harvest. We're having a giant hodls.
Oh God!
This is so heavy. I need to put it down for 1 second.
All right.
Wow.
That looks amazing. Wow. Isn't that satisfying? Isn't this beautiful? So if you want to grow giant hodls this size, add a lot of organic matter to your soil. Follow a step-by-step guide and you should be able to grow hodls this size. I have no doubt. Smells fresh. Now, many of you have been asking when to harvest your bottle gourd. And if I poke my nail, it should easily go in. And that should easily go, no, my nail should easily go in. If the skin feels hard, you've left it too late. And the bottle gourd is not going to taste that nice. So it's best to harvest your bottle gourd when it's still tender. This bottle gourd is still tender. I can poke my nails in it and I can see the skin feels really soft. I'm really pleased, Akib.
I'm really happy as well.
I am very pleased.
These 2 giant hodls.
This one feels about 7 to 8 kilos. And this one feels about 5, 6 kilos. If you want to know how to cook your bottle gourd, we shared an amazing recipe with you. We showed you how to cook your bottle gourd. We showed you how to cook the skin of the bottle gourd. These are amazing recipes. We'll leave the link in the description down below, or you can click the eye up here and it will take you straight to that video.
So Dad, what should we cook with these bottle gourds?
I don't know, we'll let your mum decide this.
Maybe we could cook some prawns.
She's done plenty hard work to grow causes this size. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you have, please give it a thumbs up and share our videos.
As you know, sharing is caring. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, do something amazing and hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified every time we upload. And don't forget to leave us a comment letting us know how you're finding our videos. It will really motivate us to make our next video. Stay safe, Assalamu alaikum, and until then I'll see you in the next one.
Happy gardening. Assalamu alaikum. See you.